This is Bet. Welcome to our fabulous Family Fun Day here at the Irving Arts Center. Today we're going to make a watermelon fan, and I'll show you some different variations on the same project a little bit later. What I'm going to do is I'm going to paint my edges. I've already started here, and I'm using green on top of this red. You will need a permanent marker, and this is for your seeds. So after this completely dries, the marker will dry right away, but your paint will still be a little bit wet. You're also going to do the same thing on the other side. So it needs to show on both sides of your paper. And again, you need to make 2 of them. I am going to do what's called a fan fold. And that just means the paper goes back and forth and back and forth. All right, so now I have this one, and this one I have already folded. Remember I said you needed 2. Now we're going to fold these in half. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to glue these 2 sections together. And I'm going to press these 2 together. And I'm going to clip these together. And it usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes for each one of these to completely dry. So I've done this one. And now I'm going to do the same thing to this one. And now I'm going to glue these 2. And this is where the top clip can come together, or if you don't have one of these metal clips, again, you can use paper. Now you're going to glue one on this side and one on this side. And I hope that you have fun creating yours. Until next time, see you later and have a great summer.